Hello, after talking about the volume of prism, we're here to talk about capacity. What is capacity? You might be thinking about, the capacity of a battery is how much electricity it can store. Yeah, that is capacity. What about capacity in math? Capacity in math means the amount of space a container can contain. Well, think about this. It's basically asking for the volume that the container has. Can contain, like its inside volume. For example, I have my water bottle, and then its volume is including this metal shell, but this capacity it's only this inside air. The inside air's volume is its capacity, but the volume of the bottle, including this metal shell, but the capacity doesn't include this metal shell. This is the only difference. You see that? Now, let's move on to the general capacity. After understanding the capacity and volume are the same thing, um, let's do a question. I mean, first we need to learn the units of capacity. So capacity is measured in liter, L. ml is milliliter, and then kl is kiloliter. And be aware this is also ml, but this ml is capital M instead of lowercase m. Capital M as prefix of unit means mega, very big, 10 to the power 6, or 10 with 6 zeros. But milli is not good enough. It's like 10 to the power negative 3, 0.001. See how big the difference is? Make sure don't mess it up. Otherwise, it was so funny. Imagine you saying, "Oh, the capacity of this water bottle is 600 megaliter." Oh my god, 600 megaliter. Oh my god. That'll be so funny, and people just gonna roast and insult you because of this silly mistake, you know? But make sure you be aware of this capital M and lowercase m. They mean completely different things. One's milli, one's mega. And then I have a dictionary. I call this a dictionary because milliliter is exactly the same thing as centimeters, a cubic centimeter. Liter is exactly the same thing as cubic decimeter. And then kiloliter is exactly the same thing as milliliter. And then megaliter is exactly the same thing as 1,000 milliliter, cubic meter. Uh, yeah. And then look at this question. Calculate the capacity of the swimming pool in kiloliter. See it asking you for kiloliter. And then you can see that this is a water pool, and then this is the width. This is a rectangular prism, so we need the base area, which is this, which is a rectangle, and the length of a rectangle is 20 meters, and its width is 10 meters. So we can have 20 times 10 gives you 200 meters square. And then what's the height? It's 2 meters. So we basically use the base area 200 times the 2, which is the height, gives you 400 cubic meters. But if you just write this in the answer, you will probably get taken 2 marks away because it's asking you for capacity, not volume. Cubic meter is the unit for volume. Liter is the unit for capacity. And secondly, ask you specific to leave the answer in the unit of kiloliters, and you leave it in meters, cubic meters, so you're wrong. And then let's look at this dictionary thing. Make sure I have this in the cheat sheet. Kiloliter is the exact same thing as meters cubic meter. So we just do a little bit of conversion. You say 400 cubic meter equals to 400 kiloliter. And then you write your claiming or stating or summary, whatever you call it, sentence. Say the capacity of the water pool is 400 kiloliter. Yeah, that's how you calculate capacity. Easy. It's just a little bit of conversion there. That's all you need to remember. See you in the next video.